Hello friends, in this series of Java tutorials, today we will learn about the Java packages. So what is Java packages? A Java package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. So friends, packages are nothing more than the way we organize files into different directions according to their functionality, usability as well as category they should belong to. Files in one directory would have different functionality from those of another directory. So every directory contains the files those can perform different functionalities in the Java. Packages in Java can be categorized in two forms, built-in package and user-defined package. So built-in package means they are already defined in the Java and user-defined packages created by the developer. So if we are talking about the built-in packages, so there are many built-in packages in Java like Java, AWT, Swing, Net, IO. We will understand these step by step. So as we already studied class concept in C++, as it is we will study class in Java. So in Java we see that to manage our project in a good manner we made many classes. We can categorize all classes on the basis of their behavior. So to categorize them we create packages. Like if we have different files in our own computer, then we are also storing these different files in different folders. So by the categorization we can access these files easily. Like we are storing different movie songs in different folders. So we can reach on those particular files very easily and we can access them. By this we can easily manage or access these files. So we make folders or directories. As it is, this concept we used in Java language. In Java, all predefined classes will keep in different packages. This is already done by the professionals. Like if we are talking about the built-in packages, so files in java.io package do something related to input-output, but files in java.net packages give us the way to deal with the network. So as it is, different files will be stored in the different packages and it is totally depend on their behavior. Java packages basically used to categorize the classes and interfaces by which we can easily maintain them. Java packages also provide access protection and naming collisions. These are the advantages of the Java packages. Like in a project we make many classes, but on the basis of their behavior we categorize them into packages. Any class will not be kept in more than one package at a time. Packages also help us to avoid class name collisions when we use the same name as that of others. The benefits of using packages reflect the ease of maintenance, organizations and increased collaboration among developers. So naming collision means if we made two classes with same name in different packages, then naming collision will not occur. But we will not do this in one package. We cannot create same name file in one package, but we can create same name file in two different packages. And if we use any other framework ID in Java, then it will be automatically or by default implement Java concept. So we can see this example of the categorization of Java packages. Here this Java is categorized into these sub package of the Java and these all packages containing these classes basically. Like if we are talking about this package lang, so this package contains classes and interface that are essential to the Java language. And if we are talking about this package, then this package contains the collection framework, legacy collection classes, event models, date and time facilities. As it is, this AWT package is an API to develop GUI or window based application in Java. AWT is a heavyweight package and its components are using the resources of operating system. So this is how these packages containing the different types of classes. Now the thing that how we can create the packages. So we will take a simple example to create a package. Here in this folder I am going to create a Java file like so. Now I am going to save this file as hello world.java. Before this statement, before class. Now we can create class init. So after writing this package we can create class init, then we will compile it. So for compilation we have to go command prompt and I will write simple java c. First I have to save this file also. To compile I have to write java c as we written in previous programs and hello world.java. So you can see that one dot class will be here, but we have to create one package by this coding, but package is not created yet. So to create a package we have to change this way to compile. So what we see here, that a same class file has been created but our package is not created yet, because a world name package should be here and it look like as a folder. When we simply run this program, then one world name package should be created here, but that is not here. So we have to change our way of compile. Instead of this statement I have to write other statement. What this statement should be? Java c hyphen d space and then I have to write hello world. So this is our file name. So what I have written, java c, it means to compile we have to return this java c, after that space, then hyphen d, and one more thing I have to do here, dot operator, and then also space. So here we have put this hyphen d. This d stand for a directory, and this dot is representing the current folder. If we put double dot, then double dot will represent the parent folder. Current folder means in which we putting our program file. So now we do compile and see that a folder has been created here and class is also created. So I am going to minimize this, and here I am pressing the enter. So what you see, after compilation, this world folder has been created and one .class file also created inside this folder. Okay, so our package is created. This is the user defined package. Now I will run this file. So what I have to return, Java hello world and enter. So after writing that instruction, this program is giving some error because it cannot find the file that we have created, because our file is putting in the world folder. That's why we have to write something else. So what we will write? We will write Java package name world dot operator. After that we have to write our program name hello world. Then I will enter. Then you can see that our program is executed. So this is how we can create the packages in the Java language. So we can see that how to compile the Java package. Here we have to write javac. After that we have to write -d and Java file name. So to compile we have written here javac -d, and this -d is a switch that tells the compiler where to put the class file. It represents the destination basically. We can use any directory name like home if we are using Linux, and if we are using Windows, then we have to write the directory name like we are saving our program in the D drive, C drive. So this is how we have to return. And if we want to save our package in the same directory, then we can simply write dot operator. How to run Java package programs? So I told you that to run that Java program, we have to simple write Java and package will put enter. So this is how we can create the Java packages, and we also learned that how to compile that particular program by which we can create the Java packages, and how we can run also. Some other points are also there that we have to remember. So we can have only one public class in a single Java file. It means we cannot make multiple public class in a single Java file, but we can make multiple classes in one package by writing package name on the top of the program. Name of the file should be same as the name of the public class, and in the absence of the public class, any class name can be given to the file name. So if you have any doubt in this Java package topic, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have learned something from this video, then please like and share this video. If you have any doubt in this Java package topic, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you learned something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.